Hello everyone, this is just a small video to show you how to create a logical volume in Linux. So first of all, let's see which flavor of Linux we are using right here. How to check it? In Red Hat release, cat etc Red Hat release, we can check the version. Oh, so this is the version, and what is the we are using 64-bit. So currently what all drives we have in here? We have these all drives, root, boot, mount point. What all mount points we have? Root mount point, boot, temp, var, home. These all mount points we are having. This is for the media we are having. If you see VGS volume group, you can see volume size is 20 GB. PVS, so where did it take? You can see the home mount point took 3 GB, root mount point took 6 GB, the swap 4 GB. So like this, if you add it, the partition size is of 20 GB it has taken. So right now we need to create, since I'm an Oracle DBA, I need to create two mount points, and mostly we follow the mount points U01 OPT. So let's create U01 and OPT. How do we create it? First of all, we need to find the disk. fdisk-l. So if you see here, this is it, and let's go with partition this one then. So how do we do it? Fdisk fdisk-l we found it, and we need to partition this one. P N, default partition is P, partition number is then write it. So it's done. So what would be our next step? Let's part probe dev SDA. It's done. Then physical volume create dev SDA. It's done. So right now see the physical volume. It's not created since we need to create this one. PV create should be this. So right now physical volume is created, and you can see in here. So we have 48 GB in dev SDA 3. Now let's create a volume group for the same. VG command is VG create, and let me give the name of app underscore U01 for dev SDA 3. So this is created. So previously we saw the VGS was something else, it was not showing, it was just showing this thing, and right now app U01 VGS has been created. So right now let's create the logical volume. The logical volume create command is lv create hyphen name. Let's give the name as lv underscore u01, and let's assign, since we have 48 GB, let's assign let us say u01 let's assign 30 GB to it, and 18 GB since this is a text box and I will be installing the binaries in u01 itself, so I'm keeping the binaries directory much more than my data files directory. So what should be it? If I need to, okay, let's go ahead with 27 GB hyphen L 27 G, or let's say 25 G itself, 25 G. From where I need to take it? I need to take it from app u01, app u01, and my logical volume name is lvu01. So this is created. Let's see whether it's showing in here right now or not. Yes, it is showing, and and the size is 25 GB. So what would be our next step? Check if you see the volume group, see from here, from 47.99 GB of is the size currently, and 22.9 GB space is left. Previously it was 47.99 GB and the volume group size was 47.99 GB, and the free was also. This has been taken, the rest has been taken by our logical volume. So volume group has 22.99 GB left right now. So let's proceed further. mkfs dot xfs just a minute. First of all, let me check in what are the directives created in here, like this. So let's create it. mkfs dot xfs slash dev slash mapper slash app underscore u01 hyphen lv underscore u01. Let's create it. Permission denied. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm in root user. This is not the user. So let me copy this. And paste it in here. So this should be created. Now mkdir slash u01. You can see still it is not showing in here. Why? We need to edit the fs tab. fs tab. Let me copy this. Shift G is capital G. My previous video in Linux admin basics, you can see how to edit a VI from VI editor. So I copied it already. Let me give the name as sorry, the name should be slash u01, and it should be xfs mount file system. still it won't be showing because I have not yet mounted it. So how to mount it? Now let's see whether it's showing or not. See, it is showing right now 25 GB. I kept it. So right now how much do this is it, how much physical volume space we have left? We have 22 GB left, and VGS also, volume group also, we have this much left. We need to mount one more drive, which is /opt. So we already will be taking it from the volume group itself. We'll be taking it from here in here, but the logical volume will be different. So let's create it. lv create -n name lv opt -l. Let's give the size as 20 GB. Let me have 2.99 GB in buffer. App underscore opt app underscore u01. From here we are taking, right, the 20 GB space we are taking from app underscore u01. So let's create it. lv opt is created. Let me see. See, this is created. How much free space we have in our volume group? 2.99 GB is left. So next step, mkfs dot xfs /dev /mapper /app underscore u01 -lv underscore opt. This is created. So what should be our next step? Edit the f tab. First of all, let me copy this. etc fs tab. Let's go in here, paste it, /opt. Let's copy this. So this is done. Again, we won't be seeing the opt mount point available until we mount it. Sorry, my bad. So let's see whether it's mounted or not. So it's done. So I will pause the video right now. So my main motive was to check let you know how to create a logical volume and a mount point. So this is it. I'll just pause the video. Thank you.